How to add music to Instagram notes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the DM option or the airplane-like icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the Messages tab. Here you will see the note option, tap on that and then go ahead and type in your note, and right below your profile icon you will see the music option. Tap on that and then select the song that you want to add, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for your own preferred music. Once selected, tap on the arrow icon on the bottom right of your screen and then select the duration of the song that you want as your note. Once done, tap on the done option you see there and then tap on share. And with this, the music will be added to your Instagram notes. So, this is how you can add music to Instagram notes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.